Nvidia was up 4% on the news that Donald Trump will become our new US president at the beginning of the year. All stocks went higher. Dow Jones higher, 1,000 points up, plus S&P, the NASDAQ, and Nvidia. But why? Was this a big ass change? Is his policies going to really change everything? The truth is, it became a hedging game prior to the election. See, people really were concerned, or Wall Street was concerned, that Vice President Harris would become president and we would have a continuation of the business policies and governing that we have seen for the last 4 years. And so Wall Street goes out and hedges its positions. And they do this via option contracts. In particular, they went out and bought puts with the anticipation that Nvidia and indexes and other stocks would go down. So as this builds up to the election, the premium that people were willing to pay on Nvidia puts skyrocketed up to 48% premium. Now that seems like a lot, but there were other ETFs and indexes that were well into the triple-digit percentage premiums to hedge. For instance, real estate ETF was. A couple others were as well. The S&P was triple figures when it came to SPY and hedging out the S&P. Well, when you hedge something or you buy a put, the market maker goes out and he hedges his position because he's now liable to transact on your purchase. So maybe he went out and bought puts, or he went out and created some sort of option structure strategy that when you have to unwind it, or when the transaction doesn't come into play, like for instance, Trump gets elected, which is more favorable to business and has historically been, well, then they have to unwind that. And that's why you see the explosion higher in stocks. Well, today, Nvidia was at a 48% premium at its peak. I have projected that it is still at 48% premium, which means people are now buying puts in anticipation that Nvidia will go down, which broaden our risk range. And you can see that by subscribing to our Nvidia daily price range projections. And it's free, totally free to you. So go hit this link in the subscription and go sign up. You'll see we widen. We hit the top end of the range yesterday at 145, closed below it. Today that widened because of the amount of IVOL premium and volatility widened because of the move in Nvidia yesterday. Now, the question is, with it being a premium still, with the anticipation that Nvidia will go down and those put contracts will pay out well, chances are if it goes up today, and let's say the Fed does lower rates by 25 basis points like they say they're going to, then Nvidia could go higher, which means those put contracts will unwind and decrease in value, and that premium will start to subside. As we get to the top of the price range, which I have today, you can subscribe and see that, and you get that in your email every morning, Monday through Friday. You can see as it gets to the top of it and the premium becomes more of a discount, then you know Nvidia is running out of steam and there's nothing to push it higher. Then it chances are will start moving down. And that's when you start putting on protection, or you short it, or short whatever index that does something similar to that. So that's why Nvidia went up so much yesterday, 4.07%. And that's why you have to look deeper into markets, way deeper than just the headlines. Subscribe to our free subscription to the Nvidia daily price range projections, and get that every morning in your email. You get into our website, you see some of our other free stuff. And in the near future, I'll be introducing a extended version of this, including all the top 10 S&P stocks, along with a handful of indexes. But I will charge for that, but no more than, say, a double, triple, quadruple latte at Starbucks. Check us out. Peace, live loud, and God bless you.